In this quick tip, I'm going to show you how to take a installation of CentOS 7 and prepare it to be used for cloning into other machines or used as a template. So let's get right onto it. So here I have a fresh installation of CentOS 7. I've gone ahead and run yum updates on it, and so let's get to work turning this into a good golden image. So I'm going to log in with my root account, and like I said, I've already run updates on the system, which is a good thing to do before buttoning this up into a template. I want to install a few extra utilities, so I'm going to do a yum install yum utils bind utils subscription manager, because I will be managing the system from Foreman, which is the upstream to satellite server. And I also like to add wget and whatever other utilities make sense to you that you like to use. If you're going to do a lot of development, you may opt to add git or something like that. So after adding any utilities that you want baked into every single image that you're going to create, some people also like cloud init and things like that, I'm going to run the command package cleanup -- old kernels -- count equals 1. Since currently I have run updates, I've got a couple kernels installed on the system, and I want to clean those up and just leave the one most recent one. And you can see it's going to remove one kernel. This package cleanup utility is provided by the yum utils package. Now that that's done, just to make sure that the system is clean, I'm going to go ahead and issue a reboot. Okay, so we're back into our system here. I'm going to re-log in. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to start doing some cleanup on the system just to make it suitable for cloning, so that systems that will be derived from this this image won't inherit lots of old logs and things like that. So the first thing we want to do is stop our logging and audit daemons. So I'm going to do systemctl stop our syslog. Then I'm going to do service audit d stop. Audit d doesn't respect the systemctl command currently, so that's why we use the legacy service command there. I'm going to clean up my yum cache, so yum clean all, and you'll see this message from Subscription Manager because I've installed it. Now I'm going to go into var log, and I'm going to run, well, before I do this, you can see here's all the logs currently in here. I'm going to do log rotate -f etc logrotate.conf. And now you can see we've created a lot of backup logs that we've rolled into. We want to clean those up, so we're going to do rm-f *1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 question marks. And you can see it cleaned up all those rollover logs. We're going to do an rm-f dmessage.old. We want to remove rm-rf, the entire Anaconda directory. I'm going to do a one-line script here to clean up a few things at once. For I in /audit/audit.log space WTMP space last log space grubby semicolon do space cat dev null redirect to var log /$i. And actually, I need to remove the slash on that audit up there. And semicolon, done. There we go. So now if you look, I've zeroed the length on the wtemp log, last log, grubby, and if I were to do an ls-l on the audit directory, you can see I've also zeroed the audit log. I want to go into the etc udev rules.d directory and just make sure there's nothing there, and there's not. Now I want to go into the etc sysconfig network scripts directory, and my network interface is eth0, so I'm going to go vi if cfg eth0. I'm going to delete the line with the UUID. Here you can make a decision. If you know all of your systems are going to be DHCP, it's probably a good idea to switch your boot protocol from whatever it is to DHCP. That would actually be the easy way to do it for creating cloned machines. As I don't currently have a DHCP server, I could leave my DNS addresses in here, or I could set it to DHCP. Either way would work. I think what I will do is go ahead and remove those lines and change this to DHCP, because I will eventually have a DHCP server here. And then save this file. Then I want to cd into etc ssh, and I want to rm-f anything with the word key in it. Okay. Now I want to go into my FS tab, etc FS tab, and I set a label on my boot partition, so I want to remove the UUID here and change this to label equals boot, and save that. I want to go back into my home directory, and I want to rm-f.bash_history unset hist file in all caps, and finally I want to history-c and shut down now. Okay, with that cleans up the system pretty well, and now it is suitable for cloning into other systems. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.